What would you do if the person who destroyed your life came back and trusted you again with everything they had left? And this time you had the power to decide how their story ends. Because this is not a story about revenge. It's a story about control. His name was Ayaan. Nostalgic. And once he trusted someone more than himself, warm but fragile. They weren't just friends. They were brothers. Deep connection, built from the same struggles, same dreams, same hunger to escape a small, suffocating life. If Ayaan had an idea, his friend executed it. If his friend needed help, Ayaan gave everything. No limits, no doubts, just trust. Where, until one day, that trust was used against him. Sharp silence. Ayaan built a business from nothing. Late nights, endless sacrifices, years of effort. And when it finally started growing, his friend made a move. Silent, clean, deadly. He transferred the money, took the clients, destroyed the system, and disappeared. No warning, no explanation, no goodbye. Just betrayal in its purest form. Ayaan didn't just lose money. He lost his future, his identity, his belief in people. For months, he became someone else, quiet, cold, disconnected. He stopped trusting, stopped hoping, stopped feeling, low-earth. But something inside him didn't die. It changed. He didn't rebuild with hope anymore. He rebuilt with calculation, mechanical, no partners, no emotions, no second chances, just strategy, discipline. Silence. Years passed, and slowly, Ayaan didn't just recover. He evolved, smarter, stronger, untouchable. He built something bigger than before. This time, no one could take it from him. Sudden tension. Then one day, a message appeared. A name from the past. The same person. "I need help," the message said. "I lost everything. I know I don't deserve it, but you're the only one I trust." Ayaan stared at the screen. No anger, no shock, just calm. Calm. The man who once destroyed him now trusted him, completely, blindly. The irony was almost poetic. Ayaan replied, "Come see me, heaven." They met, face to face, years later. His friend looked broken. Life had taken everything from him, controlance. Ayaan looked different, controlled, unreadable, powerful. "You remember what you did?" Ayaan asked quietly. His friend nodded. "I think about it every day. I was greedy. I was stupid. I lost everything after that." Silence. Silence. Heavy, uncomfortable. Ultra power, calm authority. "I have a proposal," Ayaan said. "Hope, desperation." His friend looked up. Hope, desperation, trust. The same trust Ayaan once had. "I'll help you rebuild," and continued. "I'll give you a position. Money, a second chance." His friend's eyes filled with relief. "Thank you. I swear I won't." "Stop," Ayaan said calmly. "There's just one condition. You will never own anything." Shock. "You'll work under me. You'll build for me. You'll trust me. The same way I once trusted you. And you'll live every day, knowing I could take it all away, just like you did to me." Ayaan stood up, walked away, not angry, not emotional, just in control. Because sometimes karma doesn't destroy people. It gives them exactly what they gave you and lets them live with it.